You will need 2 full strips and 2 half strips of KT tape for this application. Prepare the first full strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor at one end. Move your elbow slightly away from your body, being careful not to roll your shoulder forward. Place the anchor with no stretch on the outside of the arm, 4 inches below the shoulder joint. Pull the backing away from the tape, leaving a 2-inch anchor at the other end. Apply a moderate stretch on the tape with one hand while adhering the strip along the top of the shoulder. Apply the opposite anchor with no stretch and finish with a gentle rub over the strip to improve adhesion. Next, prepare your second strip of KT tape as with your first. Place your anchor with no stretch just below the shoulder blade, close to the spine. Apply a moderate stretch on the tape with one hand while adhering it diagonally over the shoulder blade, ending on the top of the shoulder. Apply the opposite anchor with no stretch and finish with a gentle rub over the strip to improve adhesion. Prepare your first half strip by tearing the paper backing in its center. Being careful not to touch the adhesive, hold the ends of the tape to apply an even, moderate stretch, applying directly over the AC joint in line with the front and back of your shoulder. Lay both ends of the strip down with no stretch. Apply the remaining half strip perpendicular to the first, positioning it to avoid placing the ends over the other strips of tape. Lay the ends down with no stretch, and finish with a gentle rub over the entire application to improve adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.